The Industrial Revolution was a time where innovation really began to change the way that products were produced and sold. The invention of machines to produce goods in the 19th century drastically improved productivity, which in turn lowered the cost to the consumer. The lower price resulted in a greater demand for products and thus a greater need for more factories and workers. As factories increased in number, managers continued to search for ways to improve productivity, lower cost, increase quality of their products, improve employee-manager relationships, and increase efficiency. The focus shifted from using machines to increase productivity to how they can increase employee productivity and efficiency. When they did this, they began to notice some new problems inside their factory systems. Employees were dissatisfied with their current working conditions, and many lacked the necessary training for how to do their work efficiently. Managers then began to formulate and test possible solutions, one of which was to find the best possible way for workers to perform and manage their task. The research resulted in the development of classical management theory. To better understand classical management theory, let's take a peek into this 19th century factory and see what's going on. Ah, there he is, Calvin the classical manager. Let's look a bit closer and see what he's up to. It looks like Calvin is working on a workflow chart. It seems he's trying to figure out the best possible way to complete work at his factory. As a classical manager, Calvin must have a good understanding of business functions at his factory so that he can structure the organization according to task and assign workers in view of that. For example, I can see that Calvin has broken down the process for producing the product this factory makes into 3 stages. In each stage,